on today's product review, we're looking at this product from One Use. It's a car backseat organizer with table tray. It's got 9 storage pockets. Great if you are on a long trip, want extra storage in your car, or if you have kids or passengers in the back that like to have some screen time. They have a little, like I said, a table tray on this that you can put your devices, put your food, put whatever on it. It's just the generic fabric construction that you see in a lot of these storage organizers. Fairly sturdy overall. Should be stain resistant, but there's a lot of features on this. Like I said, it's got a table on it, 9 different storage organizers as well, and just a matter of getting it in your car and sorting it out. So on this side is the table. You can see that there's a pocket on this side where the table tray goes. The table tray clips in, buckles in, and then on the other side you've got the other storage compartments. This one, and then these are separated. There's 2 tiers of these, and then a couple of deeper ones, one for maybe a cup, and then a wider one for something else. So I'm gonna get this in the car, just show you what it looks like all finished, set up, and just give you an idea of what can fit in it. Alright, so here we are. I've got it attached to the seat here. And what you do is a buckle on top. You can just buckle it around your headrest. And then this strap actually controls the tray table. So if you take the Velcro off, the table comes down and you can put devices or whatever on it that you want to have on it. So like I've got this radio here, and I can put, laptops and stuff, and this radio is heavier than most of your laptops, and you can tighten up your strap here on this side if you need to, and then you have a bunch of different storage pockets you can store tools and whatnot in, and papers. You can put it all in there, and then if you don't want the table, you can just push that up and Velcro it back. And then you have a pocket. You can put, books and all types of different stuff in here. Tools. And then, you have a bigger compartment here. You have a couple of net compartments here that can fit whatever. So especially if you have children that want to have entertainment on demand and you don't want to have to worry about trying to get their stuff and all of that, you can just throw it all on this, and you should be good to go. Hopefully that gives y'all a good idea. I know the light is kind of low in the vehicle here, but I do want to also show you. So I've got it strapped, 2 on the top here, and then there's 1 on the bottom down here that keeps this from moving, and it seems to work really well. Went right on the back of the seat back of this car right here. Alright guys, so that is everything. This quick review of this seat back organizer. Again, a lot of places to store, especially a lot of thin, smaller items that you may find just sliding around in your vehicle that you may want to sort out and organize, especially if you have kids or if you travel a lot. You just want to have those books at the ready or items at the ready that can fit in here. You can fit quite a bit of stuff for what it is, for sure. And you just pop it in there, and you got this little tabletop here for food or games or whatever. Like I said, it can hold that fairly heavy radio, so it should be able to hold it. Shouldn't have any issue holding a tablet, a phone, a plate of food, whatever. So really easy to use, really easy to set up, and seems to be fairly durable. I don't really see a lot of fabric runs or anything anywhere, and it should work well for you. I do appreciate y'all watching this product review. Hopefully you found it helpful, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.